Hello everyone, this is a demonstration of the dual RC walkers Python example. Basically I'm trying to do remote control of two mini robots at the same time. Alright, so we have Zira, we have Zork, use Edbot and Sunny. I'm going to be using Pygame, so besides the basic system and Edbot, I'm also importing Pygame module. I'm using Smart Avoider Motion Group in the Python example. I'm using all my motion pages. I run motion using wait equal false. So I'm going to push motion, trigger motion pages as fast as I can. When you stop a robot, in theory, you can run a special motion called -1. There's also another special one called 0. And for some reason, the Edbot software that I'm using currently, 5.2.5.15, it works well. It does do motion 0 and motion -1 when you use MIT Scratch 2 software. But somehow it didn't work for the Python version yet, although it's the same Edbot server tool. So we'll see. Probably in a few months, this will be updated and you can use -1 or 0 if you wish. Right now, I just left it in the example code. You can use it whenever you need to. So I'm using two robots now, so everything had to be, duplicated. So robot 1 named Zira, robot 2 named is Zork. So we have a mode for the robots, so robot 1 mode, robot 2 mode. We have a little picture for them. And the idea is if you tap the arrow key, you move 0, and you tap WZAS, which is kind of homage to long time ago all the game people who have no arrow key. So you can tell I'm pretty old to remember all that. So you use Pygame to capture keyboard pushes. So you can see up, down, right, left arrow keys. I use to set robot 1 mode to forward, backward, right, left, whatever you need to. And then you can see the little key WZSA I use to set up parameter robot 2 mode, forward, backward, right, left. Keyboard, the space bar is used for both. Put all of them into end mode, which is essentially to stop them. And I use two separate, one after the other one really, if-else structure. So if-else structure for 0. Here in this example, previously I used a method called forward to do things, but here I just want to show you you can also use the Edbot run motion method directly into your Python code. Here I'm trying to save much time as much as possible, so I don't want it to keep on going out and keep on calling the user method, but call Edbot method directly. Maybe it saves a few milliseconds somewhere. So that's it. You notice is every time the robot mode parameter you use to trigger a certain function, I clear to 0 in the main endless loop that the main program has. You need to look at the book to see that. So this is key. This is essentially to assure that every time you push on one of the key, or arrow key or WAZS, the robot will do only one motion, but you wait till it's false, hopefully it will be fast enough. We'll see at the demo. So as usual again, make sure you run your Edbot software driver first. Make sure everything connected. You see I have two here like an example. I connect Zira first, I connect Zork. Zork immediately connected okay within 5 seconds, but Zira failed. So when Zira failed like this, I have to physically reach over, turn the power switch on Zira off, and turn it back on again. And then click on connect Zira to connect again. And then this last time, it did work. So from this point here, both of them are working okay. And then you can run your Python code, and you can see that both of them got hold of it. And arrow key to move, WZAS to move on. Okay, so that's where we are. So I'm gonna pause here a little bit, and then I get the robot ready and see if we can do a demonstration of this example code. Okay, we're back. Both Zira and Zork are connected properly. We got software going.
Connected to Robot Zira.
Connected to Robot Zork.
Zira is ready for a command.
Zork is ready for a command.
So I'm gonna try to use the arrow key and WZSA at the same time, so we'll see. They're getting to each other, but so it looks like there's a long buffer key there. Hang on, look like I lost control somehow. Where are you? Well, they're still connected supposedly. Here we go. So you must have noticed that there is a buffer of different keys. You can push several times, and then when you stop key, it's still going. So I'm going backward on Zork. For some reason, I've lost control over Zork very easily. Oh, I didn't see. Close connection to Zork. Okay.